In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D Pokémon figures in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload a photo, craft a strong prompt, and generate a polished, three-dimensional look inspired by your favorite creatures. Start by opening the Gemini app on your Windows computer. Look for the plus icon, which is the quick way to bring an image into your workspace. Click it to upload a photo. Choose a clear, high-resolution file, ideally a JPG or PNG. A clean, well-lit photo with your subject centered will give the model a solid foundation to work from. If you're using a reference image rather than a portrait of yourself, make sure important details aren't cropped out and that the background isn't too busy. Neutral or simple backgrounds tend to help the system focus on the characters and scene you'll describe next. Now, write your prompt. The goal is to be vivid and specific, so the app understands the look and story you want. For example, you might describe a cinematic fantasy portrait of a person sitting cross-legged on a reflective floor, holding a Pokeball, surrounded by Pokémon. You could place a cute orange Charmander with a glowing tail beside the subject and a peaceful, oversized Snorlax in the background. Add atmosphere, swirling blue and orange energy particles, floating embers, and soft, dramatic lighting that casts gentle reflections. Include wardrobe and styling details, like a cream hoodie with a themed print and blue sneakers, to anchor the look. To push the 3D feel, add style cues such as ultra-detailed, 8K resolution, cinematic lighting, fantasy art, smooth reflections, depth of field, and highly realistic textures. The more concrete your description of composition, lighting, mood, and materials, the more convincingly three-dimensional your result will appear. Once you're happy with the wording, press Enter to generate. Give the app a moment to read both your image and your prompt and translate them into a cohesive scene. Double-check that you haven't left any stray characters or typos that might confuse the output. Clean prompts typically render more accurately. This may take a while, especially if your prompt is long or includes complex lighting and multiple characters. That's normal. Keep the app open, avoid heavy multitasking, and let the process finish. The wait time can vary with your internet connection and the overall complexity of the request, but patience usually pays off with sharper textures, better depth, and more consistent character anatomy. And that's it. You uploaded a strong reference photo, crafted a detailed cinematic prompt, pressed Enter, and let Gemini do the rest. Enjoy exploring different scenes, lighting moods, and textures to bring those 3D Pokémon figures to life.